How to set up mobile banking with Concentra. Hello and welcome back, everybody. If you'd like to set up Concentra mobile app banking, you may follow up this process in order to do so. So, for that, you can visit their website or call their customer service for instructions. So, you can even likely download the application and register with your account information. So for now, what you can do is you can head over to Concentra Bank, which is www.concentra. And once you are here in this page, you can find an option with Equitable Bank Company. So Concentra is an equitable bank company, so it is associated with each other. So if you want to set up mobile bank, you can just go ahead and tap on this option called Explore EQ Bank on your screen and tap on it, and that should take you to another website where you can create up your account or sign up for mobile banking. So if you'd like to create your bank, you can just go and tap on create account. Since we are setting up mobile app banking, you can look out for the option of the menu in the top right corner of your screen and go ahead and tap on it. And a menu appears. You can select your personal or business account and look out for the sign in option and tap on it. After you tap on the sign in option on your screen, you will be taken to their signing page. So wait for the page to load up and you will be finding this. We can continue with the desktop site. And since we do not have an account, once you are in the signing page where you need to enter up your credentials, you will look out for the option called sign up do not have an account. So just go ahead and tap on it. And then once you tap on it, here we can start the process of setting up our mobile app banking. Here you need to register with your account information. So first of all, go ahead and provide in your first name, your last name, and email address in this box right here. It should be legit, like the information within your identification card. So just go ahead and provide it up. After that, enter your email address in this box and you can tap on continue, which will be agreeing to the terms and conditions of your privacy agreement. So you can just go ahead and enter it up, and once you do so, an email address in your email address, a passcode will be provided. Just go ahead and enter up the passcode and then enter it up, the 6-digit code, and tap on verify. And then once you do so, you need to enter up your mobile number in the second step. So you just need to follow up the on-screen instructions to create your personal credentials and set up a transaction PIN. So enter up the credentials and tap on send passcode and follow the step-by-step verification process. Once you do so, you can set up your transaction PIN and agree to the terms and conditions. And after setup, you can re-log in using your newly created credentials. So that's how you set up your mobile app banking with Concentra. Don't forget to give this video a like and also subscribe for more tips and tutorials.